Okay guys, what we have here is a Two Brothers Racing slip-on exhaust for the 2015 Cfmoto Zforce 800. Brand new, good looking piece. So let's open it up and check it out. Do a real good job at boxing it. Just showed up today. I'm very curious to get it on. See what this baby sounds like. Ooh, look, some nice stickers. That adds horsepower right there. Well, that's what she comes with. Good looking piece. Going to install it here shortly on this 2015 Cfmoto 800. Pretty much stock. Still has stock exhaust. Tell you what we'll do is we'll start it and let you hear it with a stock muffler. Stock idle. Alright, so we've got an idea of what it sounds like stock. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this puppy installed. Looks like it's going to be pretty simple. Take off these two what look to be 12mm bolts holding the muffler on, and then release the slip-on fit springs. Alright guys, when we come back I will show you what it looks like installed. Here is stock exhaust compared to the Two Brothers unit for 2015 Cfmoto Zforce 800. Pretty big weight difference also. I would imagine about 8 to 10 pounds maybe. Pretty easy to remove. All right. Okay, so here's the follow-up video of the Two Brothers slip-on exhaust for 2015 Cfmoto Zforce 800. Very quick install. Takes about, for an average mechanic, I'd say about 15-20 minutes. Very easy. Looks pretty good. Saves some weight. Hopefully makes a little bit of horsepower. And sounds really good. Fit is really nice. Goes on without a problem. Start it up. Definitely a lot deeper tone, pretty loud, sounds really good. Also added some interior lights to it. You guys check these out. Light at night. Alright. Well, there you have it, guys. As far as I know, the first install of a 20 Two Brothers muffler exhaust on a 2015 Cfmoto Zforce 800. Hopefully see how it performs this weekend. Thanks, guys.